In this video, I will show you how to check the video you have watched or your watch history in your TikTok app. Let me show you how. Open up your TikTok account. Have you opened up your TikTok app? Next thing you want to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. Click on your profile icon. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on this three slider from the top. Then go ahead and click on Activity Center. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Watch History. Then here you go. You have access back to all your previous watch history. The more you scroll down, the more you see all your watch history in your TikTok account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorials, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.